Number 1, D. Number 2 is a chief financial officer would typically A. Supervise both the treasurer and controllers. B. Report to the controller but supervise the treasurer. C. Report to the treasurer but supervise the controller. Report to the both and treasurer and controller. Number 2 is A. Corporate managers are expected to make corporate decisions that are in the best interest of A. The corporation board of directors. B. Top corporate management. C. The corporation shareholders. D. All corporate employees. Number 3 is D. Number 4, which of the following, which of which one of these is an disadvantages of the corporate form of business? A. Legal requirements. C. Access to capital. C. Limited firm life. D. Unlimited personal liability for owners. Number 4 is letter A. The primary goal of corporate management should be to maximize the firm cost, maximize the shareholders' wealth, maximize the firm's profit, maximize the number of shareholders. Number 5 is B. The most diversified type of depository institution is A. Credit unions, mutual funds, saving associations, finance companies, commercial banks. The most diversified type of depository. Number 6 is letter A. Existing securities are traded in the secondary market. Number 7 is true. Number 8, money markets trade securities that mature in 1 year or less, have little chance of loss of principal, must be guaranteed by the government. Number 8 is letter C. Which of the following is our money market instrument? A. Negotiable CDs, common stock, and T-bonds. B. Common stock. C. Negotiable CDs. D. For your maturity corporate bond. E. T-bonds. Number 9 is letter A. A negotiable CDs is A loan to an individual or business to purchase a home, land, or other real property. B. A time draft payable to a seller of goods with payment guaranteed by a bank. C. A short-term fund transferred between financial institutions usually for no more than 1 day. D. A short-term unsecured secured promissory note issued by a company to raise funds for a short time period. E. Is marketable bank issued time deposit that specifies the interest rate earned and a fixed maturity date. Number 10 is letter D. What should be the primary goal of financial management? A. Maximizing shareholder wealth. Maximizing risk of the firm. C. Increase earnings. D. Maximizing cash flow. What should be the primary goal of financial management? 11 is letter C. Which one of the following forms of compensation is most apt to align the interests of managers and shareholders? A. Salaries that is linked to the company market share. B is a salary that is paid partly in the form of the company shares. C is a salary that is linked to current company profit. D a fixed salary. Which of the following which one of the following forms of compensation is most apt to align the interests of managers and shareholders? Number 12 is letter B. Corporate are referred to as public companies when their A. Product or services are available to the public. B. Shareholders have no tax liability. C. Stock is publicly traded. D. Shares are held by the federal or state government. Corporations are referred to as public companies when their A. The answer is letter letter B. There are three types of major financial market today: primary, secondary, and derivatives markets. The NYSE and Nasdaq are both examples of derivative markets. True or false? The answer is true. New issues are sold in the secondary market. True. Financial market and intermediaries. A. Generally reduce the liquidity of securities. B. Increase risk for business. Prevent Prevent the transportation of cash across time. D. Channel savings to real investment. Financial market and intermediaries. Number 16 is letter C. Secondary markets are markets used by corporates to raise cash by issuing securities of short time period. True. Capital market do not include which the following in securities: preferred stock, common stock, government bonds, and commercial paper. Capital markets do not include which of the following securities: letter D. The NYSE is an example of secondary market. Pause. One of the major disadvantages of a sole proprietorship is that there is unlimited liability to the owner. B. High organizational cost. C. The simplicity of decision making. D. High operating cost. One of the major disadvantages of a sole proprietorship is letter A. Which one of these best defines the objective of a well-functioning financial market? A. Establishing accurate security prices. B. Eliminating short selling profit. C. Shifting higher security prices. D. Increasing shareholder value by any means possible. Which of these best defines the object objective of a well-functioning financial market? Number 21 is letter D. Money market refer to the markets where excess corporate cash is exchanged for foreign currencies that can earn a higher return than domestic money. True. Number 23. Match the intermediary with the characteristic that best describe each function. Number ay, one is provide protection from adverse events. Two, pool funds of small savers and invest in either money or capital market. Three, provide consumer loans and real estate loans funded by deposits. Four is accumulated and transfer wealth from work period to retirement period. We underwrite and trade securities and provide brokerage securities. Which of these characters best describe its function? It is either thrift, insurers, pensions funds, securities firms, and investment banks, mutual funds. A for a best descriptions. Thrift, insurer, pension funds, securities, investment banks, mutual funds. A number A. First is First is securities firms and investment banks. Second is mutual. No. First is securities firms and investment banks. Second is mutual funds. Third is insurers. Fourth, hmm, four, four, dili. Ano? First is securities. Dili. First is mutual funds. Second thrift. Third insurer. Fourth pension funds. Fifth securities firms and investment banks. The 23 is the answer of 23 is letter B. Which of the following is financial asset? A factory, patient, corporate bond, A machine. Letter C. Corporate bond. Primary market user funds. Users of funds raise cash by selling securities to fund suppliers. True. Corporates that issue financial securities such as stock or debt obligation to the public to the primary to A. Increase their access to funds, become profitable, C. Increase sales, D. Avoid double taxation of their profit. Corporates that issue financial securities such as stock or debt obligations to the public those so primary to letter B. The primary includes the sale of securities by way of initial public offering. False. Financial intermediation provides direct transfer of funds to the users. True. Households are increasingly likely to both directly purchase securities, perhaps via a broker, and also place some money with a bank or thrift to meet different needs, match up the given investor's desire with the appropriate intermediary or direct securities. First is money likely to be needed within 6 months, money to be set aside for college and 10 years, money to provide supplemental retirement income, money to be used to provide for children in the event of death. First is depository institutions. Second, insurers. Three, pension funds. Four, stock of bonds. The answer of number 29 is letter E. Which one of the following would correctly differentiate general partners from limited partners in a limited partnership. A. General partners have a ownership interest. B. General partner have more job experience. C is general partner are subject to double taxation. D. General partners have unlimited personal limited. D is general partners have unlimited personal liability. Number 30 is letter. Which of the following would correctly differentiate the general partners from limited partners in a limited partnership? Number 30 is letter C. Number 31 is a bond differs from a share of stock in that bond. A has more risk. B represents a claim on the firm. C has guaranteed returns. D has a maturity date. A bond differs from a share of stock in a bond. A has more risk. B represents a claim of the firm. C has guaranteed returns. D has a maturity date. Answer is letter A. A corporation of seeking to sell new equity securities of the public for the first time in order to raise cash for capital investment would most likely A. Conduct an IPO with the assistance of an investment banker. B. Engage in a secondary market sale of equity. C. Place an ad in a Wall Street Journal soliciting retail suppliers of funds. D. Issue bonds with the assistance of a dealer. E. Conduct a private placement to a large number of potential buyers. A corporation seeking to sell new equity securities to the public for the first time in order to raise cash for capital investment would most likely. The answer of number 3 is letter A. Which of the following which of the following appears to be the most appropriate goal for corporate management? A. Maximizing market value of the company shares. B. Maximizing the company's liability. C. Maximizing the company's market share. D. Maximizing the current profits of the company. Which of the following appears to be the most appropriate goal for corporate management? Number 32 is letter C. Secondary market help support primary markets because secondary markets A offer primary markets purchases liquidity for their holdings, update the price of value of the primary market's claims, reduce the cost of trading the primary market claims. Number 34 is letter A. E.